Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by defining exactly what logistics services you will sell to clients. Identify the top 3 industries you will serve by revenue and need. Map your core services into 3 offerings: execution, management, analytics. Assess common shipment lanes and document transit times and costs per lane. Set initial pricing bands by lane and volume with target margins. Decide if you will offer 24-hour support, weekend pickup, or white glove handling. Create one clear value statement for each offering to guide all sales conversations. Now build repeatable operations that deliver the promises you sell to customers. Document a standard operating procedure for each service offering and train 2 staff on it. Negotiate carrier contracts with minimum volume commitments and SLAs to guarantee service levels. Implement shipment tracking and a simple TMS to automate load planning and billing. Create a pricing example like a 5,000 annual retainer for managed service and a per shipment fee for execution. Define onboarding steps and a 30-day. Adopt a tight sales process that converts interest into signed contracts quickly. Use a 3-step sales process: prospect, demo, proposal, and pilot to prove value. Prepare a 1-page proposal that shows savings, service levels, and implementation timeline. Run a short pilot with measurable KPIs and a defined start date. Aim for 25% gross margin on core lanes and measure weekly KPIs during the pilot. Convert pilots into contracts with clear KPIs and termination terms to protect your cash flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.